Hey guys, welcome back to the AMP Studios production log. We're out here on pre-production days for the Key to Tomorrow saga. I'm Matt, this is Clay, and today we are going to be test firing the air cannon.
What are you going to do with that?
I'm not sure what it is. PSI! 300, baby! Woo! Debris and small sticks and stuff over here.
3, 2, 1. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. The air cannon works. We're making huge progress. Looking forward to June 22nd. Stay tuned with us on our Facebook feed, our Twitter feed. Key to Tomorrow saga is going to be huge, so peace.